Hello everybody and welcome back. If you want to change your Roblox password and you are looking out how to do so, you may follow up these steps for that. You can log into Roblox for that. So go to roblox.com and hit enter and you will be taken to their site. If you're logged in, you can look out for your settings icon, usually in the top, and go ahead and click on it. After that, select settings from here. Now once you're here, you should be finding different options. You can go to the security tab from the menu of your settings, and from here you just need to look out for the option to change password. So if you find the option of change password here, you can look out for it, or usually you can go to the account info section directly and you will be finding a password option and you should be able to change password. You can just go and do so. If not, this what we can do is we can head over to the login page of Roblox. So for that, you can head over to a browser and go to Roblox. So let me just go over to Roblox for now. And once you go to Roblox, you will be finding this page. Look out for the login option at the top. And you need to go to this page and you need to select this option of forgot password or username. Now once you do so, you will be provided with this box where you need to enter up your email or phone number. So I'm just gonna enter up my email. And once you enter up your email, hit next. And here you need to enter a 6-digit code to the email address provided. You can enter it up. And here, there we go, you will be finding this page right here. Now you can change up your password. First of all, you need to enter up your new password that you would like to enter, like create, and right below it you need to enter up your new password and confirm it up. You can even add up a passkey if available, and just go and click on this option called update and your password will be changed successfully. And that's it. That is it, everybody. That is how we reset our Roblox password safely. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.